Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, guys. So, I haven't doing a vlog in my channel, so I wanted to start again. And today video, guys, is I'm going to go look for something new in the store. But I noticed that before holiday, there's more makeup here now in Target. So, there's Ulta stuff in here in Target. They added more cosmetic inside. Kaya nandito ako ngayon sa Target to check the makeup. See what we can find, something that we can review or something that I needed. So this is the new setup now in Target. We'll see. Oh, they even have an Urban Decay. Look at that. And the benefits and tarts. Wow. This is like for hair stuff. Let's go over here. They even have a MAC. They have MAC in here. Have MAC in here, Clinique in here. So let's see what I have. Baxam, Ember Mineral. Look at this. I guess I don't need to go to Ulta. Oh, they even have this toothpaste. That's what I needed. So they have this one. Oh, meron din silang this is hair stuff. Meron din sila. So, maraming nabago. Ayan. O, diba? Ay! What is this? Look at this. It's a new one. And then, Maybelline, our favorite one. Ito lang nga meron sila. My hand. Marami na akong nagtatry kasi ako ng mga lipstick na So, but look at this. This one is nice. So I need some shampoo. Oh, they have this. This one is nice too. Brows kit. This one. This one. Maybe I should try it. Oh wait. I think I like this one better. So, yeah. Tapos na ako mag-shopping ng makeup. So, ngayon, magtitingin-tingin lang ako ng for me. So yan. Ito na tayo. Ang ganda kasi gusto ko yung mga nila dito. Ayan, yung mga pambahay, na mga pang-decoration. So, ay, wait. Because I paid my stuff already. So, this one, guys, I bought this one. Binili ko na to. So, binili ko. Ayan. Nasa bahay ko yan. Oh, pero may maliit, no? Maganda. Hindi yun halaman na. Yung mga dito, mga fake. So, this one is fake. So, parang ganda ng mga pillow nila. Tingnan natin. Daling ko kayo sa my favorite spot in here. Ang cute nito, oh. This one is cute. Look at that. May mga lipstick pa, oh. Look. This one is cute. Oh, what is this? Like that. Mga pan-decorate sa bahay. Ito yung plato ko. Ayan, plato ko. Ayan, oh. Binili ko na yan. Ay, may sugar pala siya. Hindi ko alam. Pero may cover siya. Ang ganda, oh. Ito yung mga favorite kong mga mga gamit sa bahay. Ang cute na to, oh. Taran! Ang cute. This one is... But... What is that? Oh. Magnolia. Ayan. From Magnolia. Ito kung meron akong pag nagpa-renovate ako, bibila ako ng mga ganito. Ito guys, oh. Ang cute. Pang gift ko sa may baby. Ayan, maganda tong pang baby shower o kaya birthday gift. Ang ganda. Tingnan nyo to, oh. Berry bowl with saucer. Ang cute. Let's go to the other side. Natin. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung pinamili ko. Hi guys! So, nakapag-shopping na ako ngayon. Medyo tumagal ako kasi someone saw me inside and we start talking and other things, a lot of things. So I was there for a little bit longer than what I was expecting that I was gonna be there. But there's other good news about going in there. Like I told you guys before, I haven't been out for a while and I haven't been actually shopping with any of makeup because I have some makeup in the house. But today actually there's a lot of things that new cosmetic inside Target, which is really really nice kasi guys, it's closer to my house and anytime I needed to go in here for something, I can just go into Target Beauty and also other things that I needed in Target. I love Target, guys. I mean, I can walk around in Target for hours and hours because there's a lot of things that I love inside in Target. I mean, I like Target better than Kohl's or JCPenney or stuff like that. They have a unique some stuff and they also have new stuff. So, that's why most people loves about shopping in Target. So I wanted to show you guys what I purchased inside in Target Beauty, but I'm not going to do it right now because I wanted to be surprised and because I was really excited that they do have it, so I don't have to go to the Ulta and buy the what I was looking for. So the other things, guys, I did purchase some things that I don't need. I don't know why, they're just really cute, so I purchased that. Anyway, I will show that to you guys next video. And right now I'm gonna go to Starbucks because I really need coffee, and then I'm gonna go home. I'll see you guys again for my next video, hopefully this weekend, guys, because I'm off this Saturday and Sunday, so I'm going to try to do a video and I'll show you guys what I purchased. Okay, so I'll see you guys again for my next video. Bye. I'm gonna